A Russian airplane that has been blacklisted by the USA has landed in South Africa. It had cargo when it landed in South Africa, and it didn't have cargo when it left. There are only two news publications that have reported on this, City Press and News 24. So they are saying that a blacklisted Russian cargo plane lands heavily loaded in SA, departs empty. The aircraft, which is on the US blacklist due to suspicious flights, landed heavily loaded in Uppington on Thursday. So my question is, these news publications, who are they reporting this to? Like, are they telling the US? Because they're South African based, right? So why? Why? And secondly, why are they reporting on this? Why should we care as South Africans? Because the US is the one that blacklisted this plane. We have nothing to do with this because Russia is our ally. And another thing, if City Press and News 24 know that this aircraft offloaded something, shouldn't they know at least the contents? At least they should report the contents in the airplane. What if they just offloaded bread, like, or food or manure, like? So because this, man, City Press and News 24, man, do better. You can't just report on things like this because, man, it's sus.